Hello guys, my name is Touch's Life, and today we're gonna be watching the most annoying sound in the world. And what it's gonna annoy me. So if you aren't crazy, you're gonna be okay. I'm gonna berserk if I hear this. If you know me,
Do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
What the hell? A hippo dancing? No! It is annoying. Okay, competition for me. Try to stand this song to the end of this video. We're just getting started. I can stand it. Come on, Touch. You can stand it. Come on, Tynan. You can stand it. If you hear me about you, I can't get up. I can't stand this song. I can't stand it. This song's gonna get me stuck in my head. Okay. Almost there. Finally, the pain's nearly over. The pain will be over! How can they do that? They're gonna burn my face off. He's burning my face off. What mess? Who makes this kind of stuff? Who makes this stuff? This is an hour reaction video I'm doing. I don't know. I just keep making funny videos for you guys to watch. I wasted 2 minutes of my life listening to the most annoyingest sound in the world. Well, that's a waste of video time. Oh yeah, it was actually, yeah. Well, 2 minutes. Well, I'm going to leave you guys there. Thank you for watching the most annoying sound in the world. And thank you for watching for another reaction video on YouTube. Put it in the comments down below if you want me to see any more reaction videos. And I will now kick that like button. And headbutt that subscribe button in the face. Not in the face. Now I'll copy just subscribe. Like nobody cares. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. It won't turn off. Turn off. Bye.